How to use Life360 quick beginner's guide Life360 tutorial. So if you want to use Life360, I'm assuming you must have already went ahead and then created your account and so on and done those steps already beforehand. And first of all, open the Life360 app, and by the way, this is just the interface that you will be seeing over here, right? Now once you're here, by default you will see all your location and stuff. Now the main thing of Life360 is to actually add family members so that you can track each other's location. So if you have not yet joined a family member, then you can simply send them an invitation code by creating a circle or by joining an already existing circle there, and you can go there. Over there you will be able to see your anybody else's, let's say, family sharing, and then over there you'll be able to see all of your location and stuff, right? Now if you want to turn off location, you can also turn off GPS and pause the location using Life360 app. If you tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, so let me just go ahead and open it up here and then just turn on my location here. And once I've done that, if you also tap on the gear icon from the top left over here, you'll be able to see all the circle management and stuff, right? So you can go to smart notifications, then you can go to circle management, you can edit the circle name, change admin status, delete the members or set bubbles or something like that. Then you can also go to location sharing and turn on location sharing. You can go to universal settings and finish whatever else. Here you can turn on flight detection and so on as well. Now if you want to pause your location, obviously you can do so. You can go to driving mode. If you want to have a premium membership, obviously that is also possible for you. But the main thing is, if you want to create a circle, you can tap and create a circle and start creating one, or you can join an existing circle. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.